Most cover letters say nothing about you. In this video, you'll learn the 4-part formula that actually gets callbacks. Job, story, skill, ask. Bad prompt: write me a cover letter. Better prompt: write a 200-word cover letter for the role. Open with a story tying my skill to their problem. End with a one-line ask. The fix is 4 parts: job, story, skill, ask. Each part does one job and the whole letter lands. Job means name the role, the team, and one company-specific challenge you can point to. Story is one short anecdote with a number, not I led X, I shipped X in 6 weeks, cutting cost 30%. Tie one skill to their problem. Generic skills get ignored. Specific tie-ins get interviews. End with one-line ask. A specific time, a specific call, a specific next step. Here's the full prompt in action. 200 words. Senior PM. Story about growth, tied to retention. Ask for a 20-minute call this week. Remember, job, story, skill, ask. Each part does one job. Subscribe to AI SkillSprint for one practical AI skill every week.